of wealth and pride. That history and culture change their life. From Nagpur pride to Ravali soul. This land where the heritage continues to grow. With development strength and learning strong. Teaching spirit is all along. On this Republic Day, with pride, we say, teaching arts, glory to India today.
Each and every day, those are marching towards the Republic and they are honoring the teachers by marching here. Himachal Pradesh guides and rovers are coming. They are marching. Himachal Pradesh rovers and guides are marching. Himachal Pradesh, Southern.
இந்த குடியரசு திருநாளில் சாரணிய